The waterproof rain cape is excellent for touring or commuting. In just a couple of seconds, you can slip it on over whatever you're wearing and you're protected from the rain. It has a waist tie to keep it in place, and it has hand grabs that loop over your thumbs. The high collar has a drawstring and cord lock to adjust to your neck. This rain cape is generously sized for maximum coverage. Its 4-piece design and construction give it very nice shaping and minimizes seams at the same time. For the visibility, it has a highly reflective 3M brand strip on the back with a hang tag for blinking light.